So I'm going to show you how to connect your JBL Tour Pro 3s to any smart TV without Bluetooth. And you're going to do that using an aux cable. This aux cable actually comes in the box of your earbuds. So it's aux on one side and Type-C on the other side. So what you need to do is connect the Type-C end of this cable to the case of your earbuds, and then the other end of that cable, which is the aux side, to the back of your TV where you have this aux port, 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, so once you connect that, you can now take the earbuds out of their case, put them in your ears, and just leave this one there. So the sound will come from the TV to this case, and then the case will transmit the sound to the earbuds via Bluetooth. So you can leave this on the TV with this connected to the TV, and then just sit back and consume audio via the earbuds. So that's how you can connect without Bluetooth. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.